One more thing that I would like to mention here, friends, and that is as YTM is not same as the coupon rate, तो yield to maturity कूपन रेट नहीं है. सो जिस तरह से yield to maturity YTM is not same as the coupon rate, same way duration is not same as the tenure of the bond, and we should be absolutely clear about it. And why do I say that we must be absolutely clear about it? And that is because sometimes on account of lack of this understanding we tend to keep on confusing YTM with the coupon rate. So yield to maturity की कोई बात कर रहा है और हम दिमाग में सोच के चल रहे हैं कि कूपन रेट की बात हो रही है. तो अब सीधी सी बात है, अगर द पॉइंट दैट इज बीइंग डिस्कस्ड इज YTM एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन माय माइंड इज द कूपन रेट, so obviously I will never be able to understand as to what the YTM is. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि मेरे दिमाग में मुझे पूरी तरह से क्लियर होना होगा कि अगर कोई YTM की बात कर रहा है तो वो कूपन रेट की बात नहीं कर रहा है. दैट इज पॉइंट नंबर 1. एंड पॉइंट नंबर 2, इफ somebody is talking about duration of a bond, I got to be absolutely clear in my mind that that person is not talking about tenure of the bond. Otherwise, what tend to happen? Someone is talking about the duration of a bond, and what is going on in my mind? He is talking about tenure of the bond. And please remember, both of us are on different pages, and therefore my understanding about the duration will never be clear. And that is what we must be absolutely clear about it. And I'm sure all of you are absolutely clear about it.